Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, let's talk about the governance in Polkadot. In my opinion, Polkadot is a blockchain that gives voting power to the token holder. And so a lot of you may not actually know that. All of you, as long as you hold the token, you can vote in Polkadot. And you can decide the future of the Polkadot. So if you want to vote in Polkadot, you should hold the dot. In the Kusama, there is a KSM. So in this video, I'm going to quickly go over that and also show you how you can do that, how you can use your voting right. And so it's very interesting. Like Polkadot, they have an on-chain voting, like all of the voting happened on-chain, and the good thing about that is this community will never split into two like Ethereum, like they used to split into two different communities, but it will not happen on Polkadot because no matter what kind of proposal you have to vote, and that vote would be like everyone can participate. So only when all of us agree or the majority agrees with the proposal, then it will be passed, and then you can upgrade the system. So you can decide the protocol, you can decide what kind of things you want to do in the future for the Polkadot. And so they have the referenda. So the referenda is kind of a simple, inclusive and stake-based voting scheme. And so it can be different ways, like it could be like public submitted proposal, or it could be the proposal submitted by the council. And all of you, if you want, you can make a proposal. So making a proposal, you just need to stake on some token. You need to deposit some token, and you probably want to lock that for a certain period. And then others can support that by also do the same thing, deposit into that proposal. And then like you can vote. And one cool thing about the voting in Polkadot is they do have a lock period, and based on that, even though you have a small amount of token, your votes could be even larger than someone who has a lot of token. So for example, if you have like 10 dot, you want to lock it 128 week, then you are going to get 60 votes, versus someone who has 20 dot but they only want to lock 4 weeks, then they only have 20 votes. So I think this is very innovative. And then let's take a look at the voting, like how you can vote. I heard like if you participate in the governance, you are going to earn the NFT. And so I'm going to do that, and in the future I probably can show you what kind of NFT I have got. That would be very cool. And so now let's go to the JS wallet. And so if you go to the JS wallet, there's a governance and the democracy here. If you go here, you are going to see the referenda here. This is all the referenda, like you can vote. Now this is the remaining time, like we have 2 days for this proposal, and we have 25 days for the other proposal. And so you can vote, like here there's a button you can vote. When you click the button, it's going to ask you, so how many dots you want to use to vote. And here, be careful, because when you vote, and if you want to lock them, make sure you still have 1 dot in your wallet. Otherwise, there would be some problem. If you watch my previous videos before, right? You may see that. So keep at least 1 dot. And then I'm going to just use 1, and here like the voting, like there's a lockup period. As I said, it will be like if you lock it for a longer time, your voting power is higher. So here, if I use 0.1, so that would just be no lockup period, so you don't need to lock your dot. And if you want, you can lock the dot, for example, 28 days. That will be 1 voting balance. So you can decide Here I'm going to use 0.1, just a demo. I don't want to knock my dot for now, but in the future, right, if there's a proposal you really want to support, you probably can just knock it. And so I will vote yes. Let's check the proposal. It says send a batch of dispatch calls, and okay, it will roll back and fail if any of the code failed. Okay, looks like that's a interesting one. Let's try that. So you will vote, and then you can sign and submit. It will ask you to put the password. So this is on-chain, so it's on-chain voting. So I think I participate now. I vote, and you can see this star here now. It's on. That means you successfully vote. I'm going to vote this one as well. So this time I'm going to vote, do the same thing. I will still not knock up. I will just sign and submit. It may cost a little bit fees for the voting, but it's not a big amount. So this is on the Polkadot, and make sure you vote on Kusama, because that's what I heard. Like you can earn the NFT. So if you do the vote, and so if you go to democracy and then you can here, and then you can vote. They have several like referenda right now going on, and you can also knock up. So for this one, like I don't have any voting power. Oh, sorry, here. So I have some voting power, and I think I already voted. So it's the same thing as Polkadot. Okay, so I think in this video just show you the governance in Polkadot, and more importantly, I demo how you can participate, how you can vote. So I hope all of you can utilize your token, your voting power, and participate in the governance to decide the future of the Polkadot or Kusama. So thanks for watching. If you feel this video is useful, please leave a comment or subscribe, and I would be happy to hear any thoughts from you. And by the way, like in the future, as I said, like you may earn the NFT. So in the future, if I get that, I will definitely show you what kind of NFT I have got to actually show I participate in the governance. So I think this would be fun at least. Bye.